All backend error posts I see are at least 15 to 20 days old. I've tried verifying cache 3x and restarted Wi-Fi, and also tried the experimental build thing. None fixed it. Has anyone else ever got this?
These are the words of a Reddit user on the problem Darktide backend error signing in, and the solution is on the other side of this intro. Darktide is the popular gaming platform, has captivated millions of players, but this specific error has been a stumbling block for some. In this video, we'll explore the causes behind this backend error and provide you with practical solutions to overcome it. Whether you are a seasoned Darktide player or someone new to the game, understanding and resolving the issue is crucial for a seamless gaming experience. Now let's get on to the solutions. Fix 1. If you have been getting the backend error on the essential press space to log in prompt and all of the VPN changing, DNS changing, second account workarounds haven't worked for you, try quitting out of your virus protection. Just pausing it do not work. You must shut it down completely and then press space to log in. So, if none of the other backend fixes have worked for you, try that. Fix 2. This fix was given by a Reddit user, which you can try.
I've had it and fixed it only for it to happen more. I can't determine whether it's their backend/servers, easy anti-cheat, running all the launch files as admin or the opposite. Some claim changing DNS helps, others enabling VPN. I've never had issues in game, only launch fails. Previously it crashed right after clicking play on launcher. Then it got to the start menu with music. Now it won't even launch eek. Official forum helpers talk about lots of possible fix methods, but I think it might be easier to contact support. At least I'm considering it, as I'm tired of reading about tiresome methods that might work.
Fix 3. Number 1. Exit Steam. Number 2. Update drivers. Number 3. Restart Steam. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.